Hello. Yesterday we had discussed about OS command injection and also some few bug bounty hunting tools, right? So today in this video we are going to discuss about another bug bounty hunting tool from GitHub. Okay, so this is the tool and it's a powerful tool used for exploiting the command injection in the website or web application. So, what exactly is this? Well, it's a free and open source tool available on GitHub and it's written in completely in Python and is specifically designed to help testers to identify and exploit command injection vulnerability. Now, let's talk about how it works. It comes with varieties of modules installed within it. These modules allow user to test vulnerabilities in target application and it attacks the target URLs using different techniques including data string, HTTP headers, cookies and authentication parameters. And there are two main techniques available on this, that is RVCI and BCTI, means result based command injection and blind command injection technique. In RBCI, when an attacker sends commands to web application, they receive feedback directly from the application. This feedback can include the result of the executed commands, allowing the attacker to interact with the system directly. On the other hand, the BCIT, the attacker doesn't receive any feedback from the application, and this makes it a bit more challenging as the attacker has to info the success or failure of their command based on the other factors. Using this, once you install this, you simply provide the target URL and let do its magic. It will automatically scan for vulnerabilities and provide feedback of any potential command issues on this web application. Okay, so that's the brief. This is the command that we need to execute. Yeah, let me try this. Okay, Kali, let me go to the desktop and bug clear. I'm sorry, clear. And login as root user sudo su Kali KALI clear off. Okay, then we can just type commit hyphen not commit x hyphen h. It already installed in this latest Kali Linux, so we can get the help option here. Of if it not installed, you can type by apt install commits. Okay, clear commits hyphen URL. We can type the URL https:// reddit.com. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds. It will take some time, so just wait. It's similar to that SQL map, है ना? It's similar to that. So it will take some time. We can wait, keep it in the background. Okay. And we can move to, one second, our SQL injection lab. We learned about OS command injection, right? So what is SQL injection? So you can get more details in this. So SQL injection, one second, yeah. It's a type of cyber attack where malicious SQL code is inserted into the input field of a web application by exploiting the vulnerabilities in the application's database layer. This allows the attacker to manipulate the database, steals the data, modify or delete the records, or even gain unauthorized access to the system. It's a serious security threat that can be mitigated through proper input validation and parameterized queries. So let's see an example for SQL injection today. Okay, so access the lab. Here you can check the solutions also, no issues for that. Okay, I'll copy this. Okay, copy the URL and comes to our Putzwigger lab, paste it here. Okay, what's the question? This lab contains SQL injection vulnerability in the product category filter. Okay, fine. We have to explore those vulnerability. Fine. Oh, I'm sorry. In this, it's all. Okay, fine. So here, first thing you have to do, clear the history. Okay, clear history. Yes. We can open this thing. Here we got the category, right? Okay. I'll send it to the repeater. Here, get filter gift. We can add this command. One second, is there any another thing that which has the same thing? No. Okay, fine. I'll open Notepad. Okay. So this command will gives result like select. I'm sorry. Select products from table name is category, right? No, 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 no. Select star from products where category equal to gift. This is the normal SQL query which used to retrieve the data from the table. After that, so this is a query. So we are putting a quote again, not here, before this. Gift words after the word gift. Put a quotes plus or 1 equal to 1 double hyphen. So I'll copy this and paste it here. Okay. This means or 1 equal to 1 the same. Okay. Means the category can be gift or 1 equal to 1. Okay. Means uh, or command means left hand or right hand. Anyone can be true. Okay. True or true. The result will be always true. True or false. The result will be true. Anything can be true, right? So here, okay. So here in this 1 equal to 1 will be always true, right? So this query will not execute. Category equal to gift will not execute. It will retrieve all the product. I'll again explain. True or false, When we have two arguments, true and false, the result will be always false. Okay, it's like plus or minus, na, similar to that. So here 1 equal to 1 is always true, right? One second, I think I got confused. Okay, fine. This is the case. So this thing, gift equal to category equal to gift. It either can be true or false, right? But this thing, 1 equal to 1, it will be always true. So if you are using or command, and here this one is false and this one is true, the result will be always true. Got it? You can keep this thing. True or false, the result will be true. True or true, the result will be true. False or false, the result will be false. Okay. So in this case, the category equal to gift can be true or positive. So, sorry, true or false. But this thing, 1 equal to 1 will always be true. So it will not consider this, and it will only check were 1 equal to 1. And if any commands after this query, it will got automatically got commented because we put double hyphen. That means commenting in the SQL language. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. So here, select star from product where category equal to gift or 1 equal to 1. If you're using or condition, if anything is true, the result will be true. It will display everything. Okay, so here, let me send this. So the lab got solved. That means it displayed everything. Okay, got it? So similarly, there's yeah, here in the last video we had discussed about this time-based SQL injection. Here, this is the command which is used for SQL injection. So I think there is a lab also for SQL injection. Let me check. Time. Yeah, blind SQL injection with the time delays. Let me do that also. Okay. So this is the command. Let me access this thing. Okay. We can paste it here. Clear the history. Clear history. Okay. What's the question? Okay, tracking cookie analytics page. May there is an issue. Fine. Let me open this thing, view details. So is there anything here? Let me open. Yeah, here we can see a tracking ID, right? So send it to the repeater. So after tracking ID, we can give this command. Pig sleep time. Okay, I'll do one thing. 1 second. Control X. Here we got 233 millisecond time, right? After ending this SQL injection command, it will take some. It will give some time delay, right? Hope you can see that. This is the command for time delay. Okay, and in this live example, this is the command. Okay, you can screenshot this or you can note down in your notepad. So now it's take 20,231 millisecond. So the lab got solved. Okay. So these things have P2P1 level vulnerability impact. Okay. So you can directly report this to the HackerOne platforms. Okay. So I think SQL injection, OS command injection, and crow-side scripting. I hope these concept you got it clear, right? And you have to do one thing. You have to complete the labs. Okay. If you're watching this video and doing the same, you can't understand anything. You didn't get any practice. You will not get any practice. So you have to do the labs of the SQL injection, OS command injection, cross-site scripting. The vulnerability that we are covering in the class, you have to complete other labs also. Okay, in the code speaker. And also you can try the try hack me, hack the box labs. Those things gives you a practical exposure to live bug hunting. Okay. So today we will only have one video because I have to go somewhere. It's too late now. So tomorrow we will discuss about. Let me check. Hmm. Okay, we can discuss about the file upload vulnerabilities. Okay, that's also common here. Fine. And yes, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.